Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, my name is Lynn. I'm glad you found my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna talk all about my hair extensions, how I apply them, which brand I use. So I'm also going to share my top 3 quick and easy hairstyles that I usually wear when I am wearing my extensions in. So before we get into the video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and also be sure to hit the subscribe button. I really hope you decide to stick around if you're new, and leave a comment down below, hashtag notification squad if you rang the bell for a chance to get featured in my next video. So if you want to see my quick and easy hairstyles and also a little bit about extensions, then please keep watching. So this video is in a collaboration with Irresistible Me hair extensions, and they were kind enough to send me some extension and give me a coupon code for you guys, so you will get 20% off your purchase, which is amazing because the quality of these extensions are wonderful, and for the price they are not as expensive compared to other extension brands out there that I have tried, and the quality is just as good. So on their website they have different kind of packaging, so you can buy a single weft, which is just one row, then you can go for the regular, which is a full set, then you can choose a thick version, and then they also have true blend. So they have a lot of options on their website, and I decided to go for the clip-in, but they also have tape and ponytail extensions as well. So once you receive the package, the extension comes in this black box right here, which says Irresistible Me hair extensions, and on this side we have their website. Once we open up the packaging, it says Irresistible Me here as well, and then you get the extensions in this plastic folder right here. So I picked up the Royal clip-in extension in the shade Platinum Blonde, which is a 613. So I went with the 20-inch long extension, and I also picked up 200 gram. So the 200 gram set comes with 10 different pieces, but because of the way I like to apply my extensions, I only need 4 rows to get a full effect. And as you can see here, the color is also a little bit different compared to my normal hair because I use a purple shampoo. My hair is very cold, so I tried to wash the hair with the purple shampoo as well, and it actually worked. It has lightened up some highlights here and there, so just keep that in mind if you have a similar hair color as me, that the 613 is a little bit more yellow, but just know that you can wash this with a purple shampoo without any damage to the hair, and you can also color it as well. So this is the biggest piece in the packaging, and this has 4 clip-ons right here, which you click down and open very easily. And since I have gotten this hair, I have colored it, I have washed it, I have curled it, I have straightened it. So I have really put these extensions through the test, and they start at $59, which is pretty inexpensive for extensions that you can curl, color, and do whatever you want with. So the pieces that I'm going to use today is the biggest row, which has 4 clips. Then I will use a smaller piece which has 3 clips, and then on each side I am using a 1 clip and then also a 2 clip piece. And that is pretty much all of the hair that I need to make my hair look fuller. So now that the hair is brushed, I like to start with the biggest piece of the extension. So I'm just gonna take my finger just like next to where my brows start. You get like a nice and clean crisp line right there, and you also have it here on the other side as well. Then I just add a clip. So then I will go ahead and take the larger piece with the 4 clips and make sure that every clip is open, and then we will go and just apply it. And then we're taking it forward, and as you can see, you can barely like see the difference, the color difference, and we're gonna curl it as well so you won't see the transition. But now the biggest piece is clipped in, nice and secure. And next I'm gonna take this 3 clip piece, and this we are actually going to apply all the way in the back. I am just going to clip this right here, and also the other side. So a lot of people make a line all the way in the back and then they apply it. But once you do it my way, I feel like you hide a lot of your own hair. So the ones that are showing in the back right here are actually the extensions, and it looks so much better and it looks more realistic. So that is what I do. And now I'm just going to take down the rest of my hair. And since I have my hair parted right here, I have more hair on this side compared to this side. I have two different kind of pieces that I like to apply. So I apply this one piece on the side right here where I don't have a lot of hair, and on the side here where I have more hair, I like to add a 2-clip piece. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna part like a little hair right here, and I'm just going to clip this in. And as you can see, you can barely see like the color difference. It is a lot better now. And that is pretty much also because of my secret little trick right there. And then on the other side, we're just gonna do the same. Then we're just gonna flick the hair back. And as you can see, the extensions are a little bit curled and my hair is pretty much straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my natural hair as well to make everything look seamless and smooth. And as you saw, I only used 4 pieces, so this hair is very thick. And I'm just going to lightly like curl my real hair. And I like to curl my hair with a straightener. So I'm just twisting it and dragging it through. And I'm also going to take like some pieces back here so we just don't look all flat back in here. So I just like to like curl a few pieces. So I'm not curling my whole hair. And I'm also kind of like just going through them, combing through them with my fingers. And that is pretty much how I easy and quick style my extensions when I want to have loose hair. And as you can see, it looks amazing. My hair looks so much fuller and thicker, so I absolutely love this hair. It is so easy just to apply a couple of rows into the hair and just curl some pieces and it looks fabulous. So this is the first quick and easy hairstyle, and now let's jump over to hairstyle number 2. So for this next hairstyle, all you need is a brush and also a scrunchie of your liking. I have been very into scrunchies like these ones, and now we are going to do like a high pony. So I'm just going to brush and grab some hair right here. And this hairstyle has been one of my go-tos lately. I just love how easy and cute it looks. And then you're going to take your scrunchie and just twist it around. And you can use different scrunchies and different techniques as well. And that is pretty much a hairstyle number 2. It is so quick and easy and it looks so cute. You can of course also twist your hair in the front if you want some volume. And you don't need to curl your hair, but I feel like once the hair is curled, it looks so cute. So that is hairstyle number 2. And then for the next hairstyle, we're just gonna brush this out. And for this one, we will need some bobby pins. But what I have been loving is to sleek the hair back on one side. And then on this side, I am taking my bangs. And here you can style this like however you want. But I like to like twist the hair a little bit like this. And then I'm taking the bobby pins. So I'm adding one upwards, and then I'm making a cross, so I'm taking the other one downwards, and this will secure the hair all day. And then I'm kind of just lifting it up, pulling out some hair. And this is hairstyle number 3 for you guys. It is so easy and so quick. So I just absolutely love all of these hairstyles. They are so easy to create. They will take you under 5 minutes, especially if you already have curled your hair like the day before, or you slept with it in a bun and it is a little bit messy. These are so cute and so easy, especially for spring as well. And all you need is a pair of the Irresistible hair extensions and you're good to go. And as you saw, you don't need a lot of clip-in rows if you have a very thin hair like I do. But if you have a fuller hair, just know that on their website you can choose a different kind of thickness. I will have the link and everything you need to know down below about this hair. And also be sure to take advantage of the coupon code that you will find down below, which will give you 20% off your first purchase. So with that being said, I really hope you enjoyed both the review and also the 3 easy hairstyles. So I really hope you decide to recreate them. I would love to see some recreations, so be sure to tag me. These are totally approved by me and I stand by my review and my honest opinion. So I'm absolutely loving these extensions and I really recommend them for the price and for the quality. You can wash them, curl them, style them. So definitely be sure to check it out. And before you leave, if you're new, I really hope you decide to stick around by hitting the subscribe button. And also be sure to leave a comment, hashtag notification squad, once you have rang the bell, so you will never miss another video from me. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. And when that's been said, I love you guys and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.